Norman Bridwell. Clifford's Kitten. Clifford's Kitten. Story and pictures by Norman Bridwell. I'm Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog Clifford. He is the only pet I ever had. Except one time last year, a kitten came over to our house. I think he was lost. Mom said we could keep him till we found his owners. He was so small that Mom said that he could sleep in my room. He slept in the basket that Clifford had used for a bed when he was a puppy. I think Clifford was a little jealous. That night, Clifford slept as close to me as he could get. Mom said the kitten would have to sleep out next to Clifford until we found his owners came to get him. He was a playful little kitten. Chased butterflies. Clifford chased a butterfly too. He saw a very big one. He caught it. Then paid the boy for his cat. Oh, you caught my kite. Kittens love to play at schools. Clifford had never played with a spool. He found one in the street. Oh my! Clifford was strong. We bought fancy cat foods. The kitten just turned up his nose at them. Thank goodness Clifford isn't a picky either. I took the kitten for a ride in my doll cage. I never did that for Clifford. Clifford wanted a ride too. While I was explaining why I couldn't push him, the kitten jumped out of the carriage and started to cross the street. Clifford was right there. The kitten even said, "Thank you." He just sharpened his claws. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Clifford tried to sharpen his claws. Oops. While Clifford was busy putting the light pole back, a big dog came into our yard and growled at the kitten.
Did you push save when you were done?
He didn't notice Clifford. The big dog decided to go back to his house to play. While I was hugging the kitten, a boy rode up and he said, "Oh, you found my cat. Thank you. I've been looking all over for him." That sure was a cute kitten. I hated to see him go. Oh well, I still have a pretty good dog.